boys and girls. Welcome to another exciting episode from Platform 7. This is a trip that was planned at a very short notice. I'm traveling from Kasaragod to Kollur, to the famous Kollur Mookambika temple. It was planned at a very short notice. I just planned it earlier today. Somewhere around 11 in the morning or so was my planning. It's around 9 in the night. The train is at 2:40 in the morning, but since public transportation is very poor, I'm leaving home already. So we'll have to spend some time. So probably watch a movie and then go to the theatre, then go to the station, and then spend time until 2:40 in the morning. 2:40 or 2:50 is the arrival time for train. We are taking the 16312 Kochuveli Sriganganagar Express to Byndoor, and from Byndoor we'll probably take a bus to go up to Mookambika. So come join me on the right. Thank you. Okay, so the night is still young. My train is only at 2. I'm here at a movie hall, Movie Max here in Kasaragod. I booked for a movie at 10:30. It'll go until about 1:30. So that'll reduce my waiting time to an hour. So just had my dinner from the hotel in the same campus. It's a very good hotel actually, very nice. Dosa and idli is available. So I had my food from there. Time to go in and collect my ticket and wait for the movie. So I just finished the movie and came out of the movie hall. I walked a little over half a kilometer now. I see a few autos at the bus station. So from there we'll take an auto to the railway station and probably relax for a while in the sleeper class waiting room. So we got into an auto. So folks, we have arrived at the railway station. We have roughly about an hour to go. It's 1:52 now. So roughly an hour to go. Coach position is not written. We'll head straight to the sleeper class waiting room. So this is the waiting room. The room is quite clean, but there's a lot of smell coming from the toilets. The Indian tea board has an advertisement which says that India runs on tea. Very true. It's about 2:30 in the morning. The train is perfectly on time. It has passed Kanyangat. It should be here in another 15 minutes or so. So I thought I'll just pick up a cup of tea to stay awake for some more time. So we have arrived on platform number 2. This is coach position 9, mine is the 11th. So we'll walk a little more forward. This is Kasaragod station. Alternate lights are turned on. They'll be turned on as the train arrives.
IUT. For the kind attention of passengers, train number 16312 Kochuveli Sriganganagar Express will arrive shortly on platform number 2.
They just told the train will arrive shortly and the train is already coming in. You can see the light coming in.
അത് ശരിയാ. ഗുണമേന്മയിലും സെലക്ഷനിലും വിലക്കുറവിലും മാത്രമല്ല 35 വർഷത്തെ പാരമ്പര്യത്തിലും നാലപ്പാട്ട് ഫർണിച്ചറിനെ വെല്ലാൻ ആരുമില്ല.
So there begins my hastily planned trip to Mookambika. I have not planned a lot. The lights have been just turned on. So I've not planned a lot about the journey. I just saw the ticket, booked it. We'll get down at Byndoor, get a bus to go to Mookambika, have a darshan and then return by the KSRTC Scania bus in the afternoon. So here comes the 16312 Kochuveli Sriganganagar Weekly Express. It's an LHB rake and it gets a VAP 7 till Mangalore. From there we'll be getting a diesel. VAP 7 37389 Happy Road. So this is my coach. I'm in seat number 15. So we'll board from the other door. It's a 2019 built coach.
1-2 Kochuveli Sriganganagar Express has arrived on platform.
So our journey has begun.
Sir, good evening. May I have your attention please? Train number 16312 Kochuveli Sriganganagar Express on platform number 1.
So we've just arrived at Mangalore Junction. It's raining and there are no shelters, so it's not possible to go and have a look at the loco change. We are over half an hour before time, so it's a long halt here.
Contract, black and white.
So the VAP sound is just detached, it is just going away. It just stopped raining, so I managed to come to here. I think it is twin ERS Alcos for us today. It is about to rain hard, so I am heading back to my coach. We'll look at the loco tomorrow morning. So we'll just return back to our coach. It's about to rain very hard. So good morning folks. Slept for a while. I slept even before we departed from Bangalore. Slept for about an hour through. We have stopped at Innaje for a crossing.
प्लेटफॉर्म से आने वाली श्रीगंगानगर को जाने वाली गाड़ी नंबर 1632 कोचुवेली श्रीगंगानगर एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 1 पर आ चुकी है। इस गाड़ी से पधारे यात्रियों का हम हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। May I have your attention please? Train number 16312 Kochuveli
So we have just arrived at Udupi. The train is roughly about 8 minutes or so ahead of schedule. So I thought let's go and check the loco. So these are our locos. Ernakulam Twin Alcos 14080 and another loco. We have another 4 minutes to go. It is 14080 and 16802 doing the honors with our train. So the starter has been taken off. It's just 6:10, 6:12 is the departure time. 6:11 actually now. It's exactly 6:12. We have just stopped at a place called Barkur. Barkur, I think this is a crossing. We are actually running quite quick, quite ahead of schedule. So this is our train. This is the Kochuveli Sriganganagar Weekly Express. This is my coach, 192086. Let's check if the starter has been given. The main line is still red. On this side as well, the starter and the advanced are at red. So we'll see what happens next. The signal on the main line has gone green, and I don't know if you can see, the pointsman is standing down there below with the flag. So it's indeed a crossing. I actually want to go down and take a video, but it's quite a thick vegetation here and I don't want to take a risk. The advanced starter has been taken off. We've just arrived at Kundapura, slightly behind schedule. That is the Jabalpur Coimbatore special. There is this light Wag9 from Bhilai on the main line. Starting off from Kundapura. So we have alighted at Byndoor, Mookambika Road, Byndoor. A huge crowd has alighted here. It looks like a lot of people are heading to the temple today. It will be a mini Kerala in Mookambika today. So I think I better get off from here, otherwise I'll end up getting stuck here. So folks, the next part is to go to the bus station and take a bus to Mookambika. This is a low cost trip, so I'll not be hiring an auto or anything. We'll take the bus to go to Mookambika from Byndoor. The bus station is roughly about 750 meters or something according to Google Maps. So we'll check that as we go and we'll take a bus from there. So our train, the Sriganganagar Express, has departed from Mookambika Road, Byndoor. So there's a small station building here. It's like a huge platform. There's only one line, so there's no crossing facility. And this is the station building. There's a station building out here. There is a small restaurant. There's two tea stalls as well, and a couple of waiting rooms separately for gents and ladies. This is a purely pilgrim stop, mostly for people getting to Mookambika. So this is the station. This road leads to the bus station, so we'll walk that way and try getting a bus. Took an auto just because there's a lot of crowd. So I thought it would be a good idea to beat the crowd and get to the bus station, so the buses might also get crowded. We got a bus. I couldn't capture the bus from outside. We'll take it once we get to Kollur. This is a small Tata Ultra bus. So the bus fare is rupees 42. We're about to leave from Byndoor. The scenery is really beautiful. We are going around the foothills. The bus was fully crowded till now, just got a little free. So welcome to Kollur.
अरे बॉम्बे बस का सपोर्ट ಮಾಡಿ बॉम्बे बस ಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಬಸ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ಡೈಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಮವರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಓಡಿಯೋದು
So welcome to Kollur. The bus station is right there. This is the bus station. So this was the bus we traveled in, Sri Durgamba, operating to Sadara. So we've reached Kollur. We reached Kollur by 8:30, so roughly an hour from Byndoor. The journey was comfortable. The bus was quite crowded, but luckily I managed to find a seat when I boarded itself. But it was otherwise quite crowded. So our next stop is to find out a hotel to stay and then go visit the temple. So thank you for joining me on this ride. I hope you really like this journey. Please do leave your feedback, comments and suggestions. Looking forward to your company in the next journey as well. Thank you and bye-bye.